Hi guys, so I finally decided to do the 0.5 ton transaction on Major. So you click on the create ton transaction, it's going to load up and it's going to ask you to slide this. I already did mine, so I won't be sliding again. So I'll just go back now to confirm because I already slide it. All right, I already paid for the 0.5 ton, so I'll just click on check transaction. As you guys can see, just wrote successful immediately. It was successful. And guys, so I gave them 0.5 ton transaction. Now they're asking me to do another one. They gave me plus 20k stars for doing for 20 plus 20,000 rating for doing the 0.5. Now they say they want to give me another 40,000 rating if I do another one. And I guess this one is going to be 1 ton. Let's check together. This is probably going to be 1 ton. Let me say create transaction. Let it load up. Let's see. As you guys can see, it's actually 1 ton. This one will be me and them. I don't remove my hand. So guys, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys on my next one.